Okay, so we're here in West Islip for a bathroom remodel. I am finished up with my consultation, and this is what we discussed. We're going to get a tub that looks similar to this. So instead of it being a 60 by 42, I suggested we do a 60 by 36 wall alcove for a pool. So we can actually bring the tub going left to right on the 60, and then 36 this way, which is just past the window, which will line up with the new shower, which will be 36 inches. We're going to extend the shower as far as we can to tie into the alcove tub, which will be up against this wall. Full demo of the space. We obviously have a little bit of cathedral ceiling, replacing the window with the measurements put on my magic plan. We're going to replace the baseboard covers, slightly turn it over a little bit to the left to give more space to the right. The floor joists are going front to back, so we'll see how much room we have to move it to the left. If anything, we can maybe just do an offset flange here, worst case scenario. Keeping the skylight as is, only thing that's staying, along with the door. We're not going to change the door as well. The bathroom vanity is currently 42 inches, and we're going to extend it to about 54 inches. I really would like to have a recessed medicine cabinet that's maybe for their medicine or whatever the shelves that we currently have. Definitely light fixture. My suggestion would be to do hi-hats. They like the idea of doing the intuition shower head by Delta. Obviously, we'll do a tile pan and a seat within the shower. They like the seat to kind of overhang a little bit as like a shelf for the tub, so they can put their shampoo bottles, and the rest of the seat inside the shower will pitch towards the shower, obviously. All right, we're here in West Islip. We'll finish up the bathroom remodel here. We have a jacuzzi tub bipolar. We have a shower drain, which is a cordless shower drain. Beautiful niche work. We use the champagne bronze from Delta. LED lighted mirrors, fabric vanity. Like I said, a jacuzzi tub. Client is thrilled, and this bathroom remodel came out beautiful.